A terrifying crash brought race 1 of the 2026 DTM Norisring weekend to a standstill after a violent collision involving Maximilian Paul and Kelvin van der Linde. The incident happened during the mandatory pit stop window as Paul's Lamborghini suffered a loss of control under heavy braking into turn 1. After smashing into the guardrail and losing a front wheel, the driverless car slammed directly into the side of Kelvin van der Linde's BMW at the hairpin. The impact was devastating, leaving both cars heavily destroyed. Fortunately, Kelvin climbed out of his BMW on his own before being taken to the medical center for evaluation. Maximilian Paul remained conscious inside his damaged Lamborghini and was transported to a nearby hospital for further medical checks. Race control immediately displayed the red flag as crews repaired the damaged barriers and safety fencing. Thankfully, both drivers were reported conscious after one of the biggest crashes of the 2026 DTM season. Stay tuned for more motorsport updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.